we got here's a handle for the sliding barn door to the office. As you can see, the threads are stripped out of both ends here. That's an 832. There's a good shot of it. I mean, that's just chewed up. Looks like the first 3 or 4 threads. So now we're gonna try and run, tap through there by hand, clean those up. Now I worked in a machine shop a long time. If you're gonna cut threads, you want Tap Magic. That's the only thing I'll use personally. I've used a variety of other things and I always come back to this. People always tell me they got something better, new formula, whatever, but I always end up back here. Just put a little on the threads. This is a bigger tap handle that I would normally use, but such a small tap, but I'm counting on it to help me balance. There we go. I can feel I caught the existing threads there. So let me loosen that. Look, spin that out of there. All right, let me see if I can't get you. Not the prettiest in the world, but it did recut them. So now let's see if our screw goes in. Takes a bite, put this back in service. There we go. There we go. Just chased those out, cleaned them up. Didn't need a new handle after all. I got to do this other end and then we'll go reinstall it. Well, for once I have something not to be grumpy about. Thought I was going to have to replace this whole damn handle, and I can tell you that's a specialty. It's it's aluminum. It's been anodized. That was going to cost me a small fortune. All right, check you later. New threads, nice and snug. Later.